gonna do another Munch Pack unboxing. And this was packed by Elizabeth. From here we got bean chips, barbecue flavor. That sounds different. I've never really had bean chips. Oh, from here as well, we got cannoli chips, cinnamon and sugar flavored. That sounds different. From the UK, we got Smith's bacon flavor fries. Huh. Also from the UK, we got mini cheddars. They're like Cheez-Its or something. Let's see, sounds good. From Italy, we got lemon ginger finger bites. From Peru, we've got chocolate and vanilla sandwich cookies. Oh, something I've become fond of. It's from South Korea. Strawberry yogurt chilies. They're like almost like a gummy bear. Really sweet. Oops. From Mexico, we've got cherry, marshmallow, and strawberry. Sounds different. From Serbia, we have milk hazelnut chocolate bars. And from Canada, we have caffeinated caramel chocolate bar. Oh, good. I work overnight, so that might come in handy. And our juice this time is from the UK. It's exotic kick juice, mango and coconut juice with a hint of chili flavor. That actually sounds really kind of good. Looking forward to that. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.